Every college kid makes this one plan that's never executed. This one place they all wanna go. And mostly it's a trio group. You know what I'm talking about. यार पेरेंट्स अलाउ नहीं कर रहे हैं. बजट का थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम है यार. इतना दूर क्यों? माथेरान ही जाते हैं ना. So before this was the new world normal, my friends Zamir, Bhagat and me decided that no excuses, we'll be going to Goa in a budget of just 5,000 rupees, and nothing was gonna stop us. And this vlog series is just about that.
So today's the third day at Goa, and now the plan is that we go to South Goa. We stayed near Kalangut, so I think it will take us at least 2 hours to reach there. As you can see, the ATM is behind, so Bhagat and Zamir are gone to remove some money. And let's see, today the plan is that we go and visit all these beautiful beaches and take a swim.
Now I'm gonna be honest with you. This episode probably might be the best episode out of all the Goa vlog series. It's going to have motor vlogging, it's going to have beaches, hotels and everything that you came to see in this specific video. But in all honesty, I was damn scared while doing this ride. We were going from North Goa to South Goa, and this was the first time that I was riding the scooty for more than 70 kilometers. Heck, I was riding the scooty on the highway for the first time. I was nervous, I was scared, I had to be vigilant, and you know that takes a toll on your body. So honestly speaking, it was an experience that I'm glad to have. It made me a confident rider. It made me a better rider.
I just need some time, I'm trying to think straight. I just need a moment in my own space. Ask me how I'm doing, I say okay. But ain't that what we all say? Sometimes I think back to the old days and the pointless conversations with the old me. Back when my mama used to hold me, I wish somebody would have told me, if you want love, you're gonna have to go through the pain. If you want love, you're gonna have to learn how to change. If you want trust, you're gonna have to give some away. If you want love, ooh, if you want love.
Just finished riding 45 kilometers and I think 30 minutes away to Kola Beach, no?
Now that phase right there, let's just pause it. Because we got screwed, we got lost. We thought we were going to Kola Beach, but we weren't. Basically then we decided, you know what, let's screw up Kola Beach. For today, let's go to Cabo de Rama Beach.
30 minutes away, and we just found this. Looks nice, right? Took a break here, we'll eat some biscuits and then move ahead. So we had to refill our tanks, and I just stopped here because finding Cabo de Rama Fort, I hope I pronounced it right, is a task. So on our way to Fort Cabo de Rama, we just found one of the most beautiful sceneries till now, and I'm going to show it to you guys. It's mesmerizing, like literally. It feels so soothing and it's really beautiful. It's really beautiful.
We'll do it all, everything on our own.
I don't know if you guys have seen Black Clover, but this is the exact scene with the elves get married. Like if we had to recreate the anime, this is where it would have been, that specific scene. So we had to come all the way from there, pura off-roading karke, because you can see all these rocks. That was one hell of a task. Bikes यहाँ पे park कर दिया, and I think the fort is that side, and even the beach is that side. So I think that there is the beach, and we have to trek all the way down. Oh, किधर से रास्ता है? नहीं. So Bhagat is doing the Parker way, but we won't try that. We're gonna take the stairs and be safe. Yes, and that there is the beach right there. It looks beautiful. So I don't really know the reason, but this beach is really deserted, but amazing. Like there is no crowd at all. I think one of the reasons might be that it's kind of hard to reach here. Like I said, it's one hell of a task reaching here. Like हम लोग को तो off-roading करना पड़ा with scooty itself. But it's really beautiful. Like I know we are going to get amazing pictures and videos here.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? I don't quite know how to say how I feel. Those three words are said too much. They're not enough. If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Forget what we're told before we get too old. Show me a garden that's bursting into life. Let's waste time chasing cars around our heads.
हाँ क्या बोल रहे थे अपन मतलब रुक जा ना भाई एक बार सोचो अभी क्या ले रहा है अभी सब टट्टी बात होने वाली है।
नहीं सबको देखने के तू तेरी फट रही है बीच के अंदर जाने स्विम करने।
स्विम करना
मैंने स्विम बोला।
स्विम करता हूँ।
ठीक है So we're gonna go for a swim right now, and right there I think there's a lake. So sorry वहाँ पे lake है, so I'll try even shooting that. This is beautiful, like really.
If I lay here, if I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? All that I am, all that I ever was, is here in your.
I gotta tell you guys, this beach is freaking amazing. I can't go ahead. सिर्फ GoPro होना चाहिए था यार. GoPro and a drone shot of this place would be really good. So if any of you guys are coming to Goa, this place is a must visit.
Very nice. I love you. फोन बचा लिया।
Free to believe we will love
Now, Cabo de Rama beach had exceeded all our expectations and it was mesmerizing. So we were like, if Cabo de Rama beach is so amazing, Butterfly Beach is going to be better. So we started our journey towards Butterfly Beach. Now, you know, it's a challenge to go to Butterfly Beach because you have to do a lot of off-roading, and on a scooty it's another level. But you know, we were so confident because we were like, you know, it's going to be amazing, and only if we knew what was in store for us ahead.
So if you guys are planning to come to Butterfly Beach by any chance, you better keep your bike approx 10 to 15 minutes away from the place, or you can keep it 5 minutes away, that is here where all these bikes are parked. But let me tell you, it will be a task getting it up till here. भगवती इधर तक आने का सफर, मैं क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है तेरे को, इधर तक आने का सफर तेरे को कितना हार्ड लगा?
अरे भाई बहुत डर रहा था भाई, पार्क कर दो.
Butterfly Beach better be worth it because coming till here took a hell lot of trouble. Like, I kid you not. So it better be worth. Oh यार, पहले बाइक ट्रैवल, अब ट्रैकिंग. I swear भाई, Butterfly Beach के लिए इतना
देखना तो पड़ेगा ना कैसे.
हाँ भाई. This is so you guys understand how hard it is to reach here.
देखिए पानी बहुत दूर. अरे यार पानी अच्छा है, दूर बहुत है. उन लोग अपने ने देखी अभी.
Okay, Butterfly Beach does look good, but it's not what I expected. As in, I expected like 2 to 5 people here, but there are like 20 people here. The water looks clean, and it's like, if I had to explain this in short, on both the sides of the beach there are like humongous rocks and there's water just in between. That's how Butterfly Beach is. I'll play the cinematic shots and you guys can enjoy the whole beach.
So while coming back home, we were really exhausted and we basically settled for the restaurant that we seen on the way, keeping our budget in mind. That was the only restaurant that seemed fine, but honestly the food wasn't that good. And the first thing I wanted to do as we went home was to just sleep.
कोला जाने के बाद गांधी मार्केट जाएंगे और फिर
कौन सा मार्केट?
गांधी.
कितना दूर है वो?
उससे दूर नहीं, कोला से नजदीक है. गांधी मार्केट नजदीक है, कोला दूर.
पहले मार्केट जाना है फिर बीच जाना है.
एक प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये सही बोला, सामान हो जाएगा और बैग भारी हो जाएगा, रखेंगे और चोरी होने का चांसेस ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे. अब तो फिलहाल सिर्फ चड्डी स्टिक पे वो टाइम चोरी हुआ ना तो बहुत बच जाएगा, बहुत बच जाएगा.
क्या क्या लेना?
पैसा बचा है मेरा. एक काम करते ना भाई, अपन सुन ना, कोई एक बैग जो सबसे खाली है ना, उसमें अपना वॉलेट बीच के ड्राइव और स्कूटर की डिक्की में रख देंगे, ताकि अगर बैग्स भी मतलब इन केस डायरेक्ट डाल देना वॉलेट अंदर. हाँ
नहीं बे,
ये आइडिया अच्छा है.
वॉलेट स्कूटी में उससे अच्छा अपन लोग के सामने ही रहता है बैग और सब ना.
तो स्कूटी नहीं जा रही, स्कूटी नहीं जा रही. और अगर तू स्कूटी को खतरे में डालो तो ये क्या है फिर
भाई?
हाँ ना,
स्कूटी क्या, ये अपने पास पैसे तो है
नहीं भाई, फिर भी इसका
वही तो.
स्कूटी का क्या हुआ. लेकिन वो बहुत सही था. कल वाला में मेरे को लगा क्या बोल रहा है ये, मैं चाहता क्या. अब स्कूटी का चलेगा, नाइक नहीं आने चाहिए. तेरा नंबर देख ले बाइक का, यही है.
हाँ बे,
चले भाई, इसको बोल देना वो क्या रात का.
Now the plan was to visit Kola Beach and Gandhi Market.
बस अभी भगत समीर को बाइक सिखाना, स्कूटी चलाना सिखा रहा है. तो अगर ज़मीर गिरा तो ये एविडेंस है. So best of luck guys. भाई हेलमेट उसको दे, गिरा तो. Oh my God. Oh fuck. ज़मीर का चप्पल. Do not try this at home. भगवती, do not try this at home.
अरे भाई वो डालना.
क्या कहाँ पे लगा तुझे? कहाँ पे? कुछ खून नहीं दिख रहा है भाई.
अब तेरे को खून चढ़ाना पड़ेगा भाई.
खून के इफेक्ट्स.
ये नहीं होना चाहिए था.
अबे थंबनेल और टाइटल ज़मीर फेल. नहीं कुछ अच्छा वाला. रुक.
अपने कॉलेज के सब देखेंगे, पूरे 60 बच्चे.
हाँ बस ज़मीर के गिरने के कारण आने के बाद we've taken a break here so that we'll eat, we'll drink something and then we'll continue the journey and then he can also take some rest. अरे बट उसको हल्दी नहीं लगाना है.
जलने वाला था बहुत. अरे कुछ नहीं हुआ ज़्यादा. तेरी माँ की तेरे को मेरे को दर्द हो रहा है. एक काम कर, कुरकुरे रगड़ दे. कुछ नहीं होता है.
शिट यार, मैंने बंद कर दिया था.
मूत दिया था मैंने खड़े खड़े. बस पीने का भी है.
वही. Now the issue right now is we are low on fuel, like literally low on fuel, and there is no nearby petrol pump here. So we'll have to find a petrol pump ASAP or we're screwed. So I'd say we are royally screwed because we are like super low on fuel and we'd come the wrong way. और यहाँ पे कहाँ पे भी पेट्रोल पंप नहीं, like आजू बाजू कहाँ पे भी पेट्रोल पंप नहीं है. So I don't know यार. Today as we started the journey also we were taking the wrong turns. Basically we reached somewhere else. So we wasted a lot of petrol that way. Then Zamir fell down. I don't know what's going on today. Hopefully आगे जाके सीन्स अच्छे हो. बस पेट्रोल बचाने के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ रहा है. कितने में दिया?
90 बाहर 80 और
हाँ.
70. तो बंदा 80 में क्यों दे रहा था अपने को? 70 का ही है.
अरे बेसिकली जितना अंदर हम क्या बोलते तो अटक गया ना, तो उतना लोग प्राइस चार्ज करेंगे एक्स्ट्रा. सो वी गॉट दिस फ्यूल नाउ. अभी आधा आधा भरेंगे और क्या.
और पहले पेट्रोल पंप चलते क्योंकि ये इतना काफी नहीं रहेगा. जरा सा ही बाहर मत गिरा.
गिरा दिया है उसने.
वो गिरता ही है.
नहीं बे. अरे ये देख देख देख.
अरे गिरता है बेबी. तो ये साइड से डालना, वो साइड तो और गिरेगा. पेट्रोल तो बहुत दिख रहा है अंदर. तू क्या तू चला के ला रहा था?
सेव कर रहा था बे.
तुझे क्या लगा खत्म हो गया? हाँ. बट इसमें तो सब बाहर गिरा था.
अरे यार ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है तू यार भगवती.
अरे भैया रोज का काम थोड़ी है मेरा बे.
देख कितना वेस्ट कर दिया भाई. ऐसा सेफ नहीं होता चलाने को शायद से.
क्या होता है
क्या मालूम बे. पेट्रोल ऐसे.
इंजेक्शन लेके इंजेक्शन निकाल दे. ढक्कन खोल लिया. अबे ढक्कन दे. वो जा रहा है. वो गैस है. वो
अच्छे से बंद कर. होपफुली वी गेट इनफ पेट्रोल नाउ.
नीचे रखो. चले पूरा तो वहाँ भी खत्म होगा फिर कौन पेट्रोल.
Finally we've reached Kola Beach. We had left our house by 9:30 a.m. and it's 2:15 p.m. right now that we've reached Kola Beach. We are exhausted AF and really the beach better be good because I want to feel regenerated. So this place is similar to Cabo de Rama, you can say, but with more foreigners here. You can play volleyball right here. You got the beach this side, and you've got the lake or pond, you can say, that side. So basically lake, it's pretty cool.
So if you're planning to go to Kola beach, I wouldn't recommend the beach itself but the pond that it has, because honestly speaking we had a great time in the pond. Like, we chilled there. Bhagat and Zambir was somewhat trying to float there, but yeah, it was amazing. Like, we had long conversations, we met people, and it was nice. So honestly speaking, if you want to go to the pond, because the beach ain't that good, but the pond really is. I've even seen few people going kayaking there, so that was interesting. I didn't get to see where the other part of the pond is. So till we reached Soul Curry restaurant for dinner, it was already dark outside and we were really exhausted. Now the story with Soul Curry restaurant is that the first time we went there to have thali, it was already closed. Like, they weren't serving thali at that time. So now we knew that at night there was no thali available, but we knew that this place looks really nice. Most probably this might be the place where we get the best food to have in all these days that we have stayed in Goa. And honestly speaking, yes, this the service, the food, everything was top notch.
So this is our second time at Soul Curry bola main. So we just finished having our dinner at Soul Curry restaurant, and this restaurant was actually recommended by my cousin. I'll leave her link in the description below. She's a food blogger, and I got to tell you, the food was nice, but the ambience was amazing, and especially the service. They actually make you feel good. So if you're in Goa, I definitely check out Soul Curry multi cuisine restaurant. Review do na bro restaurant ka. This probably might be the first time that I've entered any beach at 11:50 PM. So we've just come to Baga beach. We're finished with the parking and stuff. And honestly speaking, the parking is just a formality. It's a way so that people can make money here. Because no one is going to take away your bikes. It's pretty much safe here.
My peaches are in Georgia.
Oh yeah, shit.
I get my weed from California.
That's that shit.
I took my chick up to the north, yeah.
Badass bitch.
I get my light right from the source, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.